I still blink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Okay, so hi, welcome back to my channel and another vlog. Today I am packing. My contacts have arrived. They will be showing in later videos. I know my eyes are doing weird things. I have a lazy eye. Do not comment on it. I know I have it. Do not comment on it. Anyway, so I'm packing for my trip to Brisbane to go see my mom, who I haven't seen in like 6 months due to the whole quarantine. But yeah, so basically a couple of updates. As you saw in my previous video, I went camping with my boyfriend and his family, and that was a great trip and everything. But yeah, I went camping with them and everything. I am going to be taking this. Just has my Apple Watch bands in it. I need to go put that in my bag because I've already pre-recorded the packing, but that's, yeah. Anyway, some updates. I got my contacts. So I got some games for my Switch. So I'm gonna be playing some Switch games. I got an actual adapter now for my MacBook. So yeah, instead of having just that single adapter, this little thing, I have an actual proper adapter because I only have one USB-C port, and yeah, so this has helped me out a lot. I carry all my like tech stuff in here that I really need, so like my hard drive for all my footage and everything, my mouse, if I ever use it. I agree, I don't use it that often. I just realized I can put my headphones that are sitting in there into there because I have a thing. I'm gonna grab that. Alright, because I have a pair of, like I have the iPhone 11, so that doesn't actually have the normal headphone port, but I just use my AirPods for everything these days anyway, so that's not really a big deal. I need to clean them. That's something I need to do. Yeah, so I went camping with my boyfriend last week and that was really fun. So yeah, in this video we're going to be packing the bag for the flight tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun one, isn't it? Also, sorry for the random upload schedule, like, okay, give me a break. I am very bad at organizing and keeping in track with things, so give me a break. So I can just take these out, grab them like this. Okay, sorry for the random cut. My mum actually called me, but yeah, because obviously I'm going to see her tomorrow. So yeah, I just wrapped them up and just put them in my little case. I don't really like to keep many things in like the front of my laptop case. If I can, I won't, because then I can just like sit my laptop on top, and then like the bottom of it's not moving around because I find it moves around a bit. I don't know, it's just me. My desks at school are like really dodgy, so yeah. But yeah, let's get into the packing. guys. I hope you enjoyed that shit. That me packing of my thing. I have a few more things that I need to throw into my bag in the morning, and then I'm good to go. So thanks for watching. I know this was a short video, but my last one was a longer video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it if you liked it, so that my channel can be seen by more people. But yeah, thanks guys, bye.